Hello everyone, in this video we shall be looking at how to perform a subtraction in binary numbers. The binary numbers are those numbers in base 2, and in base 2 we have only 0 and 1. Let's look at some examples. We have 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 minus 1 0 0 1 1 0, all in base 2. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 1 cannot, borrow 1 here, call it 2. 2 minus 1 is 1, all in base 2. Let's look at more examples. We have 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 base 2 minus 1 0 1 1 1 1, all in base 2. Zero minus 1 can, borrow 1 here, call it 2 minus 1, call it 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. And when 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 is 0. 0 minus 1 can't, borrow 1 from here, call it 2. Borrow 1, call it 2. Borrow 1 here, call it 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. This one remains 1 minus 1 is 0. This one is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. This is 0. Borrow 1 from here, call it 2. 2 minus 1 is 1, all in base 2. Let's look at more examples. We have 1 0 0 0 0 1 0, all in base 2, minus 1 0 0 0 0 1, all in base 2. 0 minus 1 can't, borrow 1 here, call it 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. This is 0. 0 minus 0 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 is 0. 0 minus 1 can't, borrow 1 here, call it 2. 2 minus 1 is 1, all in base 2. Thank you for watching.